Hello, welcome to lesson number 1 of this module, the fundamentals of climate change. In this video, we will explore key concepts related to climate and climate change to provide a better understanding of these topics. Let's begin by understanding the difference between weather and climate. Weather refers to short-term atmospheric conditions, such as a sunny or rainy day. In contrast, climate is the long-term description, spanning over 30 years of average atmospheric conditions in a specific location in time. Now let's talk about the natural variability of climate and its effects in the Caribbean. This refers to natural and intermittent variations in the typical climate of a region. An example of natural climate variability is El Niño, which tends to reduce hurricane activity, or La Niña, which can increase it. The Sahara dust also affects us, reducing rainfall and suppressing hurricane activity. However, we are still uncertain how these forms of natural climate variability will respond or interact with the effects of climate change. But how have we humans influenced these climatic changes? For decades, we have released large amounts of greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide, and methane, from industry, transportation, and energy generation based on fossil fuels. The increasing amount of these gases alters the composition of the atmosphere, causing global warming. But how does that happen? Sunlight reaches Earth, but greenhouse gases trap some of the heat, warming the planet. Since the mid-20th century, high levels of emissions of gases like carbon dioxide and methane have led to unprecedented warming of our planet. Rising global temperatures cause changes in weather patterns, which over the long term we call climate change. In the Caribbean, we measure how atmospheric and ocean temperatures, rainfall, tropical cyclones, sea level, and ocean chemistry change to understand how climate change manifests, and to take measures for mitigation and adaptation. Understanding these concepts is essential for developing mitigation and adaptation strategies, especially in vulnerable sectors such as agriculture and forestry. It's time to take action and work together to address climate change. Thank you for joining this lesson on the fundamentals of climate change. In the next videos, we will learn how we are experiencing climate change in Puerto Rico and the United States Virgin Islands, and explore more deeply how we can contribute to climate mitigation and adaptation